Day 62 on the PCT, and we are just back on trail after being to Yosemite yesterday, and today it's 2 months on trail, so we are eating some cake right now to celebrate. So yeah, today we hike again. We don't know how many miles yet, but we'll see. Hi guys, so bad news, second rainy day on the PCT. It's been raining on and off for 1 hour. Hopefully it doesn't rain much. We'll see. Hey guys, day 63 on the PCT, and we are starting the day with a river crossing, so hopefully it's not gonna be too cold. Today we want to try to do 20 miles, which means we have 3 climbs and 2 passes, so we'll see if we can do that. We're not too sure. See ya! Well, this first river crossing was cold. We removed our shoes and water went up to our knees. It's quite refreshing at 6:30 in the morning.